guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're here with BoxyLuxe, as you can see, for March. I just wanted to do a top-down video because I just got this yesterday. I want to do the video and get it done with, but I just got it out of the bath and like I'm in my pajamas, so y'all don't need to see that. You know what I'm talking about. So if you're not familiar with BoxyCharm, it is a monthly beauty box. It sends 5 full-size beauty items based on kind of an initial style survey you take. When you subscribe, it is $25. They do have this, what's called the Luxe. This is a seasonal upgrade. So basically once every 3 months, they're going to charge you $50 instead of the $25. And you're going to get, I believe there are 8 to 10 items in the boxes, and the value is like $300 or something crazy like that. They do also have the Boxy Premium. That's a separate subscription. That's $35 monthly. And this is the March Lucky Box. I do pay for this subscription. So it always works out to be well worth what you spend. It's just whether or not you're going to use those items. So the back here is going to tell you everything that's in the box. We're not going to peek yet, but this is my variation. This is C210340-LX, LX meaning Luxe. All right. I didn't actually look in here, and I have been kind of not checking spoilers or anything, so I have literally no clue what's in this box. So we're just going to find out together. All right, so this is the Barbarella eyeshadow palette. Kind of a honeycomb vibe here with like those, like, what is that? 80s? No, it's not 80s. I don't know. That vibe. Club. It's like a club. All right. One-handed, guys. Oh, that's an interesting... there is a mirror. I'm not going to show it to you. Oh, they're named after boys. And that's my son's name. He's a yellow. Or is that like a tan green khaki color? So there's Hugh, Lewis, and Andrea. Oh, they're not boys. They're girls too. Andrea, Luca, what the heck name is that? Eddie. That's an interesting spelling. Dean, Jason, Brad, Oliver, Dami, Mo, Nick, Kofi, Pablo, Ryan. Ooh, I love this. You know guys, I love orange. Davor, Jared, Seb, Johnny, and Zachary. So it's an interesting color story. You could do a lot of different looks with it. And there's definitely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 shimmers in there. And not nearly as many mattes. Since there's only 20 pans in total. So that means 5 mattes. See how I did math there? All right, anyway. We'll look at the retail costs at the end of the video. All right, then this is from Dominique Cosmetics. I actually really like the Dominique palettes that we received. The sweater one, is that what it was called? This is the Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner. What color is it in? Crush. So that looks pretty. I love these kinds of colors. You know how you're always drawn to like the same... I should just stop the video and come back. So as I was saying, I'm always drawn to the same colors. And this is one that I would be attracted to. I do like this little tip where you can get in the crease of your lips. So I am going to swatch it and show you guys. Okay, so that's like really nice. It goes right on. It doesn't like tug, and it just lays on really nice and lays on nice opaque. Very pretty. I like that a lot. All right, so there's my look at all this stuff. Holy moly. So where do I want to start here? Let's go here. This is the Soleil Let Your Hair Shine brush. I hope that I can use it. Certain brushes I can't. Oh, it's a... Wait, what? Oh, that's interesting. I don't know if I can use this. I've never heard of this brand, but this is... First of all, the color is bomb. It's orange. You guys know that I love orange. It's my favorite. Everything should be orange. All right, so here it is, and I'll be honest, I don't know if I can use this in my hair. Like, I have such crazy hair that might be a no for me. Let's see what the package here says. Rapidly heats up to 400 degrees. Ceramic tourmaline bristles glide through hair. Infrared technology locks in moisture for frizz-free. That's a lie, I bet. Heat-resistant bristle guard. I don't really understand these sorts of brushes. Are they supposed to make your hair straight and smooth? I don't know. You guys will tell me in the comments because, you know, you guys are great like that. All right, then we have from Glow Recipe. This is the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum for deep hydration and glow. This is 1 ounce. Glow Recipe makes like things that are infused with real fruits and vegetables, things from nature. This is a hyaluronic serum, so it's what they consider a humectant. It draws moisture from the air around your skin to plump it up. And you know, a while ago I was like, I don't think that it does anything for me. It's when you use it in your routine, and now that I've used it the proper way, I do like hyaluronic acid. So this concentrated formula is your go-to serum for plump, radiant skin. The Silky Water Gel Serum features a unique blend of 3 types of plum, which includes vitamin C-rich kakadu plum that help boost skin for a youthful appearance with hyaluronic acid and vegan collagen, which is something I'm really getting into lately, like drinking collagen. I love it. I think it's the fountain of youth, but I could be wrong. I buy into supplements way too much. I spend a lot of money on them. Delivers protective antioxidants for dehydration. 5 weights of hyaluronic acid. That's a lot. So that's interesting. It has silk protein too. So that's one that I'm going to definitely try out. All right. Look, we still have so much to do. All right, so this is Beauty Bakery. Ooh, yay! All right. Oh my gosh, I'm so jazzed for this. They're so cute. They're pink and green. Do you remember when that combination was really popular in like 2002? Girls would wear like green and pink. I used to think that was so cool. Anyway, these are blending sponges. This is what they look like. There are 6 of them. That is awesome. I love this. I love the packaging. I love Beauty Bakery. I think their products are fantastic. And yeah. All right. If you want more reviews, check out my blog because I definitely got those. By the way, I will be reviewing the full box on my blog. I'll also link to BoxyCharm with my referral link so you can check them out if you so desire. All right. This is from something. AMNH. Kiss the Stars 24 karat gold lip plumping mask. That's interesting. Anything with like, I'm always like, you know what I mean? Like, do I believe this? 24 karat gold shimmer, aloe vera gel, jojoba oil, aloe vera juice, vitamin E, vegan collagen, peppermint flavor, golden glitter stars. I don't really know that I want glitter all over my lips because then it gets all over everything else. But I will try it out. I'm not going to open it yet though because I don't need one open when they dry out and they're not any good anymore. All right, so this I actually have. This is the Skin Ink Daily Dose of Glow, Illuminate and Brighten. Do I have this one? I have one. It has these little bubbles in it. I think it came in a Allure Beauty Box a couple months ago. A cocktail of chlorella, vitamin A, and hyaluronic acid encapsulated serums from Japan. I do think it didn't come in a box though, and so I'll probably pass this on to a girlfriend who's always pests me for stuff. All right, here is our final item. This is the Eloise mini teardrop brush. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, it looks like an artiste brush, right? Ah, come out. Look. So it's in a teardrop shape, so you can get into like the corners of your eye. Oh, and it's so densely packed. Look at that. Oh, I love it. It's like, oh, it's perfect. And it looks cool. Perfect for your vanity. You like how vain that's all I can think about. Anyway, so for your $50 spend, you're getting your brush, you're getting your sponges, your lip mask, this hyaluronic acid serum, your lip liner, your brush, your little bubble serum, and your full-size palette. Like, look how huge this palette is. All right, so $50. Oh my goodness. All right, let's look at the retail values of everything. Just for fun. All right, so the B Beauty London Barbarella eyeshadow palette is $50. That's insanity. The Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum is $42. The Skin Ink Daily Dose of Glow is $65. The Eloise Beauty Rose Gold Teardrop Brush is $45. The Soleil Hair Tools Mini Heat Brush is $150. I'm going to try that out. It better do something crazy. The Beauty Bakery Egg Sponges are $18. The Dominique Lip Liner is $18. And the Skincare is $42. So this is a really high price box, and I think it's amazing. This is probably the best BoxyLuxe I've had in a while, to be honest. I really like it. So if you're interested in checking out the full review, do that below. If not, well, fine, whatever. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.